Hi guys, this is a before and after of my brows. Be sure to stay tuned to find out how you get these Instagram brows step by step. So to start off with, I'm going to first be combing out my brow. This is just to set all the hairs in place. So the eyebrow product which I'm going to be using today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pomade, and it's in the shade Auburn. I'm also going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Angled Brush. Now start outlining the top and bottom part of your brow. And guys, don't worry about this part being too perfect because later on we're going to be cleaning up with concealer anyway. So guys, take our eyebrow brush and just brush up the bottom part of your brow on the top part of your brow. This is going to give you that faded look. This part is very crucial as it's one big step to achieving your Instagram brows. So now just fill in the middle part of your brow with the leftover product that's on your brush. I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10 and my Bobbi Brown concealer brush and carving out the shape of my brows. And guys, you really want to take your time with this because if you do mess up, you're going to have to do the whole step all over again. Be sure to blend all the concealer out as well, as you wouldn't want any harsh edges or lines. Now carve out any desired shape on the top part of your brow and just blend out the concealer. So this is a good trick to make sure that your brows look flawless. Make sure that you take a light brown eyeshadow and just go over your brows just to set the gel in place. Doing this step will make your eyebrow look a lot more softer. Taking my NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel, I'm just going to comb it through my brows evenly. This eyebrow gel is one of the best I have ever used. My eyebrows won't even budge all day long, even in the rain. And that, guys, is how you achieve your Instagram brows. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications for more.